This is a very funny video by Lasercorn, but I have a problem with this line specifically.
They're in the sun.
Because if you'd have landed at the sun rather than to orbit around the Earth, that's kind of like throwing yourself at the ground and then missing. Yes, I'm nitpicking, but that's my shtick. Just go with it. Whether you're going to the moon, Mars, or the sun, you're going to need a certain amount of energy to get there, and that's measured by the change in velocity, or delta V. And because I'm not an actual rocket scientist, someone has gone out and done the math for us. If we were to try to get into an orbit around Mars, that's going to require a delta V of 2.9. But if I were to try to get into an orbit around the sun, that's going to require a delta V of 29.8. That's 10 times more energy required to get to the sun than to Mars. To put this into perspective, the Delta IV Heavy, which could launch 8,000 kilograms to an orbit around Mars, needed a third boost stage to be able to get the 650 kilogram Parker Solar Probe around the sun. So yeah, feel free to shoot for the moon, but if you miss, you'll probably just end up in an orbit around Earth somewhere.